guys, it's Elizabeth. It's Tasty Treat Friday, and here's what we picked up this week for our groceries. I think we bought out the produce. Fruit and produce is what I'm saying. I think we bought out the produce department. I think we bought almost everything they had. No, not really, but it feels like it. And so here's what we picked up. All right, so let's start over here. Yes, we stopped at Starbucks. I got an iced tea. But here's what we got this week. All right, let's start over here. Picked up a couple zucchinis. If you saw my, zucchini chips in our vlog last week, you saw that they were totally wrecked, so I told Juan, you owe me some zucchinis, so he bought me those. I got 2 bags of lemons, one because I squeezed them for the Pellegrino, because I love fresh lemon or lime in my Pellegrino, but also Ethan wanted homemade lemonade. He's been wanting the powdered stuff, and I said no. So I said, we can make real lemonade that's so good out of lemon, so he wants that. So that's why I got another bag. Broccoli, because I'm going to try to eat more fresh fruits and vegetables this week. For snacks, we need some strawberries because we're going to make a dessert tonight, angel food cake with some strawberries and homemade whipped cream. Cabbage, because I'm going to try, there's an edamame salad from the Fixate cookbook with Autumn Calabrese. If it turns out good, I'll share the recipe with you guys. Some green beans, because we love some green beans. Maybe I'll see if I can convince Juan to share that recipe in a vlog, because he makes them. I don't even know what he does. They're so good. Grapes, romaine hearts. This is the best deal to get 3. They're organic. I only buy organic lettuce. And the cabbage is organic too. $1.29 a pound or something. It was actually really good. Some matchstick carrots for some recipes. I think that's actually in the edamame salad. Some celery. I'm trying to remember all the healthy snacks I love, and one of the ones is celery, it's called Bugs on a Log, when you put the raisins and peanut butter on the celery. It's so good. I love that. Juan saw these and thought they looked good. The cheddar sandwich crackers from Horizon. They're organic. They're $3.99 a box. That's a little much for me when I think about crackers, but they're organic, and so if we're going to splurge on something, I'd like to splurge on something that's healthier. Red pepper for that edamame salad I'm going to try. I picked these up on a whim because Juan and I love hibachi, and we love veggies that are like stir-fry. All right, my husband is Hispanic, if you didn't already know by his name, Juan. He makes the most amazing plantains. They are fried, but they are so good. And then he also makes these meat pockets. But since becoming, I love them, but since becoming vegetarian, he didn't know what to do. So he's now turning these into pizza pockets. They are fried too, but I say if you're gonna have something fried, the rule of thumb is only do it when you're at home. That way you can control what's in it, and you know exactly what's in it, and you're not having it as much, because it's a little bit of an effort to make fried food. You know I love adding cilantro to everything. It's good in salads, good in soups, and then good in even store-bought salsa. Got an avocado. I think the avocado is for tacos we're gonna make. 1 grapefruit, because I want that for breakfast one day. Some lunch meat for Juan and the kids. 1 thing of garlic, because I couldn't remember if I have one. I think I already do. A little bit of ginger for that edamame salad. I really bought a lot of ingredients. I sure hope that turns out good. Juan picked up some, what are they, clem gems? I don't know what these are. Clementines, I think. Lots of bananas. You know I like that in my power meal. Loaf of honey wheat and a loaf of buns, because we're gonna do burgers one night. And then I picked this up, Voss. It is a huge glass bottle. Trying to drink more water, and this is 27 ounces. And I think I need a little bit more than 2 of these to get my water intake for the day. So I figured if I have something big like that, I can kind of gauge how much I'm drinking and really encourage myself to drink more as I'm drinking my tea over there. Isn't that funny? I got the Pellegrino, got some tortilla chips because these are awesome with our salsa. Organic milk for the kiddos and for my husband. I was going to pass by this, but I should show you. Juan actually looked at it, and it is Coca-Cola Life. I know it's still Coke, guys, but it's sweetened with cane, sugar, and stevia. Has anybody out there tried this? I have not heard anybody say anything about it. How much is in this? 8 ounces, so it's like 1 serving. It's 60 calories. Yeah, it's got that junk in it, and yes, it's still Coke. But Juan likes Coke. And let's be honest, I do too sometimes. That's why I buy this, right? But Juan was going to pass it by, and I said, it's $5 for 6 of them. Normally, if you go to Starbucks and you get like a Frappuccino or something awful like that, it's $5. So I said, if you're going to try it and see if it's any better, we could keep this on hand so that when you are having that sugar craving, instead of going to like a drive-through and getting one full of junk, maybe this would be better. So if you've tried it, let me know. This green life is all about leaning in. It's not about totally restricting yourself. It's about trying the very, very best you can. So no judgments, people. And I'm not going to judge you guys too, because you guys know I'm vegetarian. I don't judge other people either. I just do the best I can. And if you totally love whatever it is you love, you do the best you can. We're all on a different journey. So just wanted to put that out there. I always feel like I have to, because I don't want anybody to be like, hey, you guys do that. Well, you know, look at all the other fruits and vegetables we do. I got some juice boxes for the go. So good when we're so busy with these camps. Juan picked up these orange juices. They were 3 for $5. Again, you do the best you can, right? Okay, I just wrote out all of the stuff I was planning on doing this week because somehow when life gets busy, I forget what it is that we purchased and what my plans were, because I have all these plans. You know me in lists. I love lists. So I figured I got this, I think, probably like Target dollar aisle. It's just, it looks like wood, but it's a dry erase board, and it came with the marker and the little eraser. So I just did, these are our meals we're going to do for this week. Green beans, potatoes, and chicken. Veggie stir fry, burgers. Apparently I'm excited about it because that's the only thing that got the exclamation point. I don't know why. A taco night, and my husband's gonna make plantains and rice too. Pasta with garlic bread, so I'll have to make sure I save up all my carbs for that meal. And then I put some snacks because somehow I end up getting hungry and then I totally forgot about my healthy snacks that I have. So I'm gonna make the lemonade right now, but I have the ingredients to make the edamame salad. I'm going to make the sweet potato chips. I'm going to have broccoli and dip as a snack. And then I also love celery and peanut butter. But then I'm also going to make some type of cake with fresh strawberries. And then I have this crumble that goes on peaches. So I might make that too. So that is to remind me what we have. So it's not like, oh, we need to order pizza because we don't have anything. No, we do. We've got enough to make it through the week. And this is the plan. So I'm sharing here because hopefully that helps somebody, but it also keeps me accountable too. Guys, thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe so you can see more videos like this one. Every Friday I share our groceries or a new recipe that I've learned and want to share with you guys. Yeah, so more health and wellness type videos like this. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Bye!